Alright, solving by graphing. So it's just, you want to make sure that you graph it properly, like in the last video, where we graphed in standard form. So again, you want to make sure your equation is in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. And to figure out how to solve in this one, we're going to use the example x squared plus 8x plus 16. And we're going to use the same equation that we used last time, well, the same formula, to find the value of x. So the formula is x equals negative b over 2a, and just plug in the values. So in this one, b is 8, and a is 1. So you're just going to solve that to get x. And this one is equals to negative 4. Alright, and now to get your y value for the vertex, since you now have your x value, you can just plug in your x value into all of those x's there. So negative 4 squared. When you're doing this on the calculator, make sure to put parentheses around a negative 4 or a negative number, or it will just square the 4 and won't account for the negative being squared, and that'll mess up your answer. Alright, and that is equal to 0. So our point is negative 4, 0. And now we're going to want to find different values around there. We're just going to plug in like negative 3 right now into these to get another point on the graph. That gets you 1. Now I'm going to do negative 2. I got 4. Alright, now I'm going to go over to the graph. And start plotting points. Try and get this in frame here. Alright. So we have negative 4, 0 as our vertex, negative 3, 1 as our next point, and then negative 2, 4 as our next point. And then again, you can just reflect it over your axis of symmetry, which is the x value of your vertex. That's your axis of symmetry. I'm just going to reflect it. There. Okay. And then you can connect it, and that's your graph for it. Alright. So where it crosses the x-axis is where the points you're solving for are. So this is your solving. There's the points you're solving for. So the solutions is negative 4, negative 4 in this case, because I wanted to show that when it's just the point, your vertex, that's on the x-axis, you're going to get a double solution. So since it's over here, this is where your equation hits x-axis. That's your solve. Now, when you have an equation that goes like that, where it hits here, again, is your solutions. So like, for this random example, this would be a solution of maybe like 3.5 and 6, about 6. But this one here, the solution would be -4, -4. And that's how you solve by graphing.